Millennium Prize problem. Oh, it has the Riemann Hypothesis. Judah, what's the Riemann Hypothesis?
Well, Harai, the Riemann Hypothesis is one of my all-time most favorite and interesting problems in mathematics. Despite a simple exterior, it hides an incredibly fascinating and complex problem which has stumped mathematicians for centuries.
But Judah, why is the Riemann Hypothesis so interesting? And what's the Riemann Hypothesis all about?
The Riemann Hypothesis is based on an important function called the Riemann zeta function. For values of s that are real numbers found on the standard number line, the Riemann zeta function doesn't show any surprising behavior. However, things become interesting when the function is extended to complex numbers, which have both real and imaginary parts. But what is a complex number? To understand it, you must know what an imaginary number is. Imaginary numbers extend the real number system by introducing the imaginary unit I, which is defined as the square root of -1. Complex numbers, with both real and imaginary parts, rely on this concept. The Riemann zeta function is naturally defined for complex numbers with a real part greater than 1, but mathematicians use a technique known as analytic continuation to extend the function. In the critical strip, some values of s make the function output 0, and these points are known as non-trivial zeros. And the Riemann hypothesis claims that all of such zeros lie on a special line, where the real part of s is a half. But why does the Riemann hypothesis matter so much? Well, the Riemann hypothesis serves as a foundation for much of modern mathematics. If it was proven true, then all of these houses would suddenly have a foundation. But if it was proven false, then many different fields and theories would collapse and would have far-reaching effects into cryptography, number theory, prime number distributions, and quantum mechanics. Whoever solves the Riemann hypothesis is likely to earn a Fields Medal, which is the same as a Nobel Prize in mathematics.
Wow, I never knew if you solved the Riemann Hypothesis, you would gain an amazing breakthrough in mathematics.